Hey everybody. Shh. I got a new dog. Quiet. He's very excited to say hello. Say hi to Sparky. He doesn't really do much, but he's a good dog. Yeah, aren't you? He knows some tricks. Check this out. Play dead. Sorry, hold on. Play dead. Don't move. Just play dead. No, you're moving your jaw, man. I'm sorry. I swear he knows how to play dead. He's just... Come on, man. I got all these people watching. Play dead, you piece of shit.
Who you calling a piece of shit?
Whoa, whoa. Oh, did you guys just... Oh my dog can talk. Holy shit.
That's right, I can talk, you piece of shit. Now you listen to me. I don't want you treating me like an animal ever again, you understand?
You are an animal.
Oh, so could an animal do this? Huh? Could an animal do this?
Holy shit balls.
That's right. Animals are people too, Tyler. Animals are people too!
Okay, Sparky. I hear you loud and clear.
My name's not Sparky! It's Jethro!
Okay, it's, your name's not Sparky. It's Jethro. I get it.
Say it louder!
Jethro! Your name's Jethro!
You're damn right it's Jethro. Now, make me a sandwich.
Did somebody say sandwich? Ah! Who the hell are you and what are you doing in my kitchen?
Why, that's my personal chef. He comes with the Jethro.
That's right. I'm Jethro's chef. I make him whatever he wants, or else he'll bite my head off. I don't know what the hell's going on here, but I'm a little weirded out. Oh, it's nothing to be afraid of, Tyler. Just a little Snapchat fun. Ain't that right, Jethro?
Oh, that's right, chef. That's so right! Guys, I need help. Now! Tyler, this is your social media guardian. Your fans have spoken. Kill Chef! Whoa! I suddenly know what I have to do. Die, Chef!
What did I do? I'm just part of Jethro's team. It's Jethro you need to kill.
Hey! Screw you, Chef! All I asked for was a sandwich!
Alright, listen up, both of you. Now you both are getting on my nerves, and I don't like it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a sandwich. Together, as a team.
Not on my watch. Chef, I believe you have something for me.
Yes, Jethro, one peanut butter and jelly sandwich.